Hi, hello to everyone. In this video, I'm going to solve a problem. The question is for 10th class actually. The question is two cubes, each of volume 64 centimeter cube, are joined together end to end. Find the surface area of the resulting cuboid. So let us see the figures, you can understand it properly. Cubes. This is one cube. This is another cube. Okay. This is of volume 64 centimeter cube, and this is also volume 64 centimeter cube, right? So what is the actual formula for volume of cube? Volume of cube formula, volume of cube is equals to a cube, right? This a cube is equals to 64. So a cube equals to 64. 64 can be written as 4 into 4 into 4, right? So 4 is 16, 16 4 is 64. So a cube equals to 4 cube. Therefore a equals to what? 4, right? So we know we have to find the surface area of the cuboid, right? Which wants three, what we say, three values to find the surface area. If you observe here, we got 4, only one value. But if you see, length and breadth will be the same. The height will be changed in this cuboid, right? So to find the height, for the cuboid, resulting cuboid, what we say? So here this is length and breadth of cube. Okay, now what we have to find? Surface area of the resulting cuboid. Before finding the surface area of the cuboid, we want the height. First let us write the formula for surface area. Here if it is not specified lateral or total, we have to take total surface area, right? Total surface area of resulting cuboid equals to length into breadth into 2 into LB plus BH plus LH. This is the formula for total surface area of the cuboid. So from the volume of the cube, we got the length and breadth, right? Length and breadth. This we have to find. Height must be found. So if you observe, you are combining these two cubes, right? The total volume of the cuboid, the resulting cuboid, will be this. So total volume of cuboid is equals to 2 into 64 centimeter cube. Why? Because 64 centimeter cube is each volume of each cube. But here the cuboid is formed by combining these two. That means the total volume will be the sum of these two volumes, or twice of the two volumes, right? If you take in that way, you will get 128 centimeter cube, right? So this is volume. From the volume we can find the height, right? So here from this, what we know? Length equal to 4 centimeter, breadth equals to 4 centimeter. We have to find height, right? So what is the actual formula of volume of cuboid? Volume of cuboid is equals to length into breadth into height, which is equals to 128, right? Centimeter cube. So here L is 4, breadth is 4, H is H. So 128. H is equals to what? You will get 128 by 16. 16 ones, 16 eights. Therefore, height equals to 8 centimeter. Now we can find the surface area of resulting cuboid. Total surface area of resulting cuboid is equals to 2 into 4 into 4 plus 4 into 8 again plus 8 into 4, which implies 2 into 4 4s are 16 plus 4 8s are 32 plus 32. What you will get? 2 into 32 plus 32, 64. 16 plus 64, which is equals to 2 into 80, which is equals to 160 centimeter cube. This is the answer. Okay, got it? Understood? If you have any doubts, specify that in the comment section.